Ever wondered why apples become a staple fruit in households worldwide? Apples, with their vibrant hues ranging from lime green to sunset red, are not just visually appealing. They offer much more than a mere pop of color in your fruit basket. Global in their reach, apples are celebrated for their versatility, finding their way into pies, salads, juices, and even beauty products. Now you've probably heard the saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away." But is there any truth to this old adage? Well, it turns out, there is more to this phrase than just being a catchy rhyme. Apples are a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with essential vitamins and minerals that do indeed contribute to keeping us in the pink of health. These crunchy, sweet fruits are a treasure trove of benefits waiting to be discovered. Stick around to discover the secrets hidden in this crunchy, sweet delight. Peek under the skin, and you'll find a treasure trove of nutrients. That's right, the humble apple, an everyday snack, is a powerhouse of nutrition just waiting to be discovered. Let's begin with the basics: vitamins. Apples are rich in essential vitamins such as vitamin C and vitamin B6. You might already know that vitamin C is a strong antioxidant, but did you know that it's also integral to the production of collagen, a protein that helps wounds heal and keeps your skin, teeth, and bones healthy? On the other hand, vitamin B6 plays a crucial role in brain development and function, and helps the body convert food into energy. Now, let's talk about antioxidants. Apples are packed with these tiny warriors that combat harmful free radicals in our bodies. These free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging and diseases. The antioxidants found in apples help neutralize these free radicals, protecting our bodies from their harmful effects. Next up is fiber. Dubbed as nature's broom, dietary fiber found in apples aids digestion and promotes a healthy gut. It also contributes to feelings of fullness, which can help manage weight by curbing overeating. One medium-sized apple can offer about 4 grams of fiber, which is roughly 15% of the recommended daily intake. And the cherry, or should we say apple, on top. Apples are low in calories. A medium-sized apple has just around 95 calories, making it a guilt-free snack that doesn't compromise on nutrition. But we're not done yet. Apples also contain trace amounts of minerals like calcium, potassium, and magnesium, which are all vital for maintaining good health. Calcium is essential for strong bones and teeth, potassium regulates fluid balance and nerve signals, and magnesium is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in our body. In essence, each bite of an apple is a step towards a healthier you. It's a perfect blend of taste and nutrition, packed into a convenient handheld package. But how exactly do these nutrients work their magic on our bodies? Let's delve deeper. Apples don't just satisfy your sweet tooth, they pack a potent health punch too. Let's dive right into the heart of the matter. Apples are loaded with heart-friendly nutrients. The fiber in apples, specifically a type called soluble fiber, helps to reduce the amount of cholesterol in your body. It does this by binding with fats in the intestine, which translates into lower cholesterol levels and a healthier heart. But it's not just about what's on the inside. The skin of the apple contains a powerful flavonoid called quercetin. This antioxidant helps to reduce inflammation and fight against the damaging particles in our bodies known as free radicals. It's a formidable ally in our battle against heart disease. Moving on, let's talk about digestion. An apple a day might not keep the doctor away, but it can certainly keep the gastroenterologist at bay. The fiber in apples not only keeps your heart healthy, it's also crucial for a healthy digestive system. It adds bulk to your stool and aids in its movement through the digestive tract. Say hello to regular bowel movements and goodbye to constipation. And if you're looking to shed a few pounds, apples might just be your new best friend. They're low in calories and high in fiber, a combination that can help you feel full without overeating. A medium-sized apple, for instance, has about 95 calories but packs 4 grams of fiber. That's almost 15% of your daily fiber needs. Imagine a tasty snack that keeps hunger pangs in check and supports weight loss. However, remember to enjoy apples in their whole form, not as juice or applesauce. The process of juicing or making sauce often strips away the fiber and some of the essential nutrients. So, when you're reaching for that apple, think of it as reaching for better heart health, improved digestion, and a step towards your weight loss goals. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. There's more to this fruit than meets the eye. Scene script: from your brain to your gut, apples leave no stone unturned. Let's delve deeper into the health benefits of this remarkable fruit. You might be surprised to know that one of the apple benefits is its contribution to brain health. Apples are rich in antioxidants, which can protect your brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, conditions that can lead to mental decline. So next time you're reaching for a snack, remember an apple a day might just keep the neurologist away, but that's not all. Apples are also known to support the immune system. This is largely due to the vitamin C content found in them. Vitamin C is a powerful immune booster that can increase the production of white blood cells in your body. These cells are essential for fighting off infections and diseases. So in the battle against common ailments, apples could be your secret weapon. Now let's talk about a more serious health issue: cancer. Studies have suggested that the regular intake of apples could reduce the risk of certain cancers. The flavonoids in apples have been linked to a decrease in the risk of developing pancreatic cancer. In addition, women who consume apples regularly may have a lower risk of breast cancer. But remember, while apples can contribute to a healthy diet, they are not a standalone solution to prevent or treat cancer. Always consult with a healthcare professional for advice related to serious health conditions. Now you might be wondering, how do these benefits translate to long-term health? Well, the answer lies in the daily habit of consuming apples. Regular intake of apples can contribute to overall wellness, as they provide essential nutrients, improve digestion, and can even help in weight management. Clearly, this humble fruit is a powerhouse of health benefits. But how can you incorporate it into your daily meals? Eating an apple raw is great, but there are more delicious ways to enjoy this fruit. Let's journey into the world of apple cuisine, where health meets taste in an explosion of flavors. Imagine starting your day with a bowl of warm apple oatmeal. It's simple, quick, and a powerhouse of nutrition. Just cook your oats in almond milk, add diced apples, a sprinkle of cinnamon, and a drizzle of honey. Voila! You've just prepared a fiber-rich, heart-healthy breakfast that'll keep you energized all morning. How about a refreshing apple salad for lunch? Toss together crisp lettuce, thinly sliced apples, crunchy walnuts, and blue cheese. Top it off with a vinaigrette made of apple cider vinegar, olive oil, and a touch of honey. This salad is not just a medley of textures and flavors, but it also packs a punch of antioxidants and healthy fats. Now let's talk about a dessert that'll satisfy your sweet tooth without the guilt. Baked apples. Core your apples, fill them with a mixture of oats, almonds, and raisins, sprinkle a dash of cinnamon and bake until soft and juicy. Pair it with a scoop of vanilla yogurt for a creamy contrast. This dish is a testament to the versatility of apples, transforming the humble fruit into a gourmet delight. These recipes are just the tip of the iceberg. Apples can be added to smoothies, used as a topping for pancakes, or included in savory dishes like roasts and stews. They can be baked, boiled, grilled, or eaten raw. The possibilities are endless. Each of these recipes makes it easier and tastier to incorporate apples into your diet. They showcase the versatility of apples and remind us that healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. It's about finding creative ways to enjoy nutrient-dense foods, and apples are a perfect example of this. With these recipes, you'll never run out of ways to enjoy the myriad benefits of apples. So, are you ready to embrace the power of apples? Let's recap our apple journey. We've explored the impressive nutritional profile of apples, packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals that contribute to overall health. We've unpacked numerous health benefits, from improved digestion and heart health to enhanced brain function and a boosted immune system. Not to mention they're a great ally in weight management. But it's not just about the benefits. We also dived into the world of delicious apple recipes, proving that healthy doesn't have to be boring. From refreshing salads to sweet treats, apples can be incorporated into your diet in countless creative ways. All these facets make apples a true superfood. So whether you're aiming for a healthier lifestyle or just love the crunch, it's clear that apples have a lot to offer. Remember, good health is just an apple away. Start crunching today.